friends, and welcome to this week's Make and Take. All right, this week we are making this adorable card that says I like you more than cheese. We're actually using this stamp that I made, actually Taylor made, I created, did the art for it, and then Taylor's the stamp maker, so he made that into a stamp for us. Isn't this so cute with the little slices of cheese and then little slices of cheese inside? All right, let's get started. All right, so when you open up your little kit here, you have all these little bits and pieces. We have our fluffy ribbon, amazing, 3 slices of cheese, and then all of these little pieces. I pre-stamped the little sentiment that says I like you more than cheese on the bottom. All right, so what we're going to do very first is we're going to attach this black piece to the front of our card. So I'm gonna use some white glue for this. I'm going to just do a little dot of white glue into each of the 4 corners, and we'll stick that on the front of our card. And when you stick that on there, you should have an even border of the white card base showing on all 4 sides. I would say that's probably about maybe 1/8 of an inch. All right. The next thing that we are going to do is we're going to take this kind of gray color. The other side of it is bananas, but that doesn't really fit the theme. So we're going to use this side, and we're going to attach it to the front of the card here. Now, there are 2 different ways you can do this. You can do this where it's flush with the edge here and here, and there's a little peak of yellow at the top, and then of course our sentiment at the bottom. The other way you can do this is you can line it up like this so that there's a lot more yellow showing. It's really totally up to you what you'd like to do. I am probably going to do it this way. So again, I'm going to put some white glue on the back side. I'm just going to do a dot in the 4 corners there. We're close enough. And I'm going to stick that on here. I'm going to have about 1/4 of an inch of yellow showing at the top, and then maybe about 1.5 inches of yellow at the bottom. All right, we'll stick that down. So once that is dry, we're going to use double-sided tape next. All right, I'm going to flip this over so the back side of the yellow is showing. And I'm going to put a piece of double-sided tape kind of towards the bottom on the left and on the right. And this is going to be for sticking our ribbon in place. Whenever I stick ribbon down, I always like to use double-sided tape because it's a dry adhesive, and then that way you don't have awkward glue trying to stick to ribbon and it's not sticking very well. This is a great way to go. So we're going to stick the ribbon in place. Whoops. On the one side, and we're going to bring it to the front, and I like to bring the ribbon right along the edge of where that transition is from the gray to yellow, because I just think that makes it look like a nice transition. It makes it look fun. And then we're going to bring that around to the back side and pull it tight and stick that to the double-sided tape. I'm going to use my scissors now and just trim off a little excess. There we are. Now I'm going to put double-sided tape down all the way along the sides, and that's going to hold that ribbon in place, so that way the ribbon doesn't go anywhere. All right. We'll peel that film off the other side, boop. And this one off this side, boop. All right, and now we're gonna line this up on top of the black. Again, you're gonna get an even border on all 4 sides. I would say it's about 1/8 of an inch. All right, there we are. Okay, now this little gray piece, again with the bananas on the back, this is gonna go on the inside of the card. So I'm gonna open that up. We'll do a dot of glue on all 4 sides. We'll stick that down. You can have it all the way at the bottom or just up from the bottom. And when I stick that on, it's kind of hard to see here, but there is a little bit of border on the left and on the right. Again, probably about 1/8 of an inch of the white showing. And then I have about 1/2 inch of white showing at the bottom too. All right, now you have 3 slices of cheese. One of these cheeses is going to be cut in half. You get to decide which one. I'm going to cut this one in half. So I'm going to go right up to the corner there. So I have 2 little tiny slices of cheese. Oh my goodness, so cute. All right, and then we're gonna put a little bit of glue on. I always like to put the glue on the cheese, that way I don't accidentally put it in a space where the holes are gonna be showing, because I don't want the glue to be seen through the little holes of the cheese. And then I'm gonna stick my little slices of cheese down here at the bottom. Yay, cheese! And then on the front of the card, again, we're gonna put a little bit of the white glue all the way around like this, boop, 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 boop. And we'll stick on our little cheese slices onto the front. And you can kind of arrange these in whatever way makes you the most happy. All right, and there we have it. I like you more than cheese card. I hope you had lots of fun with this one. Also, this is hilarious because how many people can you actually give this card to? How many people in your life do you actually like more than cheese? What a question. Hope you guys had fun. Have a great day, friends. Bye-bye.